Hey, this is Tracy Cotton with Morrow Insurance Agency, and today I want to talk to you about how to cover your tail if you're a tailgate market. Why tailgate markets need insurance. One of the things that you see this time of year every weekend and sometimes throughout the week all over West North Carolina are tailgate markets. Tailgate markets are a little bit different than farmers markets because farmers markets typically have their own space. They have their own buildings. They have their own location. It's owned by the farmers market. But tailgate markets crop up in parking lots and empty lots all over the place, and they are usually organized by groups or an organizer. And one of the things that ends up happening, of course, is if someone ends up getting hurt while they're at the tailgate market, which is where the farmers are just basically pulling up and selling their produce or their products right off the back of their vehicle or with a booth, etc. And someone could get hurt. And here's the issue. Who ends up having to pay if someone gets hurt? The property owner or the parking lot owner most likely will not want to. Here's a scenario that really happened here in Western North Carolina. There's a tailgate market where there was a patron who tripped and fell over a speed bump. Well, the speed bump didn't belong to the tailgate market. They didn't even own the parking lot. They were just renting the parking lot. They do it every Saturday during the season. And this person ended up breaking their wrist when they fell. So that was a serious enough injury that they had medical bills and they came asking if they could get some sort of compensation. Well, the tailgate market talked to the owner of the parking lot, and the owner of the parking lot said, you know what? We don't want to file it underneath our insurance policy because we weren't the ones that were even there at the time of the injury. We rent this out to you, and that's why we require you to have insurance. And so the tailgate market came back, filed a claim, the medical bills were paid, and it was a happy ending. They did not jeopardize the relationship with the parking lot owner by forcing them to have to file underneath their insurance and possibly still leaving the tailgate market liable because although there was really probably nothing they could have done to prevent this person from tripping over a speed bump, if they had been named in a lawsuit, they would have actually have had to pay for an attorney to go and represent them if they didn't have insurance. The moral of the story, of course, is that this particular tailgate market was very smart and they had their own insurance policy. Insurance paid out and it was a happy ending all the way around. But that's the point. It's something that could be easily prevented, and it's something that the tailgate market would not have had deep enough pockets to take care of the medical bills and the possibility of a lawsuit. So for just a few $100s a month, I'm sorry, a few $100s a year, and I do apologize for that, that policy takes care of that tailgate market so that they know that if something happens that they are going to be able to continue to have their farmers come and have the people come and shop with them every week during the season. So it's a win-win. I am the one who represented the tailgate market because they are one of my clients, and I'd love to talk to you about your insurance as well. Give me a call, 828-652-6212, and ask for Tracy here at Morrow Insurance Agency in Marion, North Carolina. I'd be happy to talk to you about your tailgate market and what coverages that you might need in order to make sure that you cover your tail. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.